Vibe coding. It's the biggest buzzword of 2026. The idea is that coding is dead, and now we just describe feelings to an AI and magical apps appear out of thin air. Sounds like complete nonsense, right? I've been a developer for years, and I'm honestly skeptical. But today, I'm putting it to the test. This is Google Antigravity. It just launched late last year, powered by Gemini 3. They call it an agent-first IDE. The claim? You don't write code, you manage agents who do it for you. So here are the rules for this video. I am completely forbidden from touching my keyboard to write code. If I type a single div or function, I fail the challenge. I can only use English prompts. Let's see if vibe coding is actually real. We need to build something that actually requires a vibe. So let's build an aesthetic quote generator called Moodify. The concept is simple. You click a mood, like stressed or inspired, and the whole screen changes color and gives you a relevant quote. But I'm not going to tell the AI how to do it. I'm just going to tell it how it should feel. Here's the prompt. Watch this. I want to build a single-page web app called Moodify. The vibe should be extremely cozy, minimalist, and calming. Think lo-fi hip-hop aesthetics, muted pastel colors, handwritten fonts. When I click a mood button, the background changes to a matching soft color and a quote appears. No clutter, just vibes. Notice that? No technical specs, no React, no Vue, just feelings. Let's hit send. This is the difference between a chatbot and an agent. I'm not chatting with them, they are off doing the job on their own. Okay, watch the status bar. It's not just spitting out code, it says thinking. Now it's planning visual elements. It's actually deciding on the color palette and layout before it writes a single line. Boom, look at that! It just generated a task list on the side. It's breaking down my vibe into actionable steps. Now the speed picks up. It's initializing the project. I see index.html being created. Now it's writing the structure. Now it's opening the style.css file. Look at the tasks getting checked off. It's writing the CSS for that minimalist lo-fi look we asked for. Vibe coding is very cool. Honestly, watching it blaze through these files is satisfying. It's validating its own work to make sure there are no bugs remaining. Okay, this is the wildest part. Look at the preview window. I am not touching the mouse. The agent is clicking the buttons itself. It's physically verifying that the functionality works. That is kind of spooky, but amazing. This is exactly what I had in my head. I didn't write a single character of code. I went from a vague feeling in my brain to a deployed, working web app in under 10 minutes, just by managing Gemini 3 agents. Vibe coding is absolutely real. And honestly, it's kind of terrifying how good Google Antigravity is at understanding nuance. If you're a beginner, there has never been a better time to start building. What should I make the agents build next? Drop the weirdest idea you have in the comments. And if you want to see me try to break this AI, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.